Okay, this is the PR Hugger rear fender splash eliminator, whatever you want to call them. Standard Chinese job as far as I know. So same thing, but come in a myriad of different names or different brands. This one's specifically for the MT07. As you can see, it's got the slider mounts that go through your chain tensioner equalizers and the axle bolt, and it's pretty seriously thick steel actually that they've used for this, so it takes up a lot of room in between the chain tensioner equalizer, which has been a little bit of a problem. I mean, it's solid, there's no question about that. I think it's way over engineered. There's 3 mounting points underneath the plastic splash guard as well. But what seems to be the biggest problem, it doesn't look too bad actually. It's not what you'd call ugly, as long as it stops that roost of water going right over the top and over your back and down your neck, then that's fine. So as you can see, they've actually given you a plate here which acts like a giant washer and is also a similar shape to the original block tensioner equalizer, which you can't have on there anymore because there just isn't enough axle bolt to be able to accommodate that one as well. So as you can see, it's pretty thick. It's seriously engineered bit of steel. So at least anyway, they've provided what looks to be a similar shape and size to the original chain tensioner block. So you can still get a bit of an idea on the chain tension on each side. So you've got your little lines in behind there. I'm not sure whether you can see them or not. And it's only just that axle crown bolt's only really just hanging on there by about 2 threads, to be honest. So all in all, I think it's okay. Would have been nice if they had have tapered the thickness of the steel down through here, or just used half that thickness actually right throughout the entire thing. There's 3 mounting bolts up under there, as you can see, and it has a nice tidy little brand name plastic insert that covers up those nuts and bolts as well. So hopefully it'll do what it's supposed to do, and it's only going to be on for the wet season, and it'll keep all that filthy road grime water from pouring down my neck when I'm riding down the road in the monsoon. This one's called RP rear fender splash guard. Cost about 1,300 baht. I don't know what that is, about 35 American dollars or something, 40 American dollars. So there you go.